Welcome back to Oregon Makers, and today we're going to unbox and assemble my dust collector, which I call the dust monster. So let's open the box. This came delivered on a truck, and I needed a forklift to get it off the truck. So fortunately, I live at the time down the street from the lumberyard, so they came and forklifted it off and put it in the garage for me. Pretty well packed. There was some damage you'll see here in a bit, but yeah, let's get to it. Super complicated to do this. Definitely needs 2 people for a lot of it. At some point we have 3 people, and you'll see why. This thing is heavy. All the little foam tape was super confusing to figure out what to use where, so I finally figured that out and then labeled all the other rolls there, and kind of just putting things together as we go. Here's the 3 people to lift it on the rack, and then this should have had 2 people. I really struggled getting this on, and then I discovered as I was putting it on, one of the flanges was bent, so that made it even more difficult. So yeah, I'm cruising through this pretty quickly, but all in all, this kind of really took me 2 days to put together. Trial and error, and then kind of figuring it out as I went. Putting the tape on the bag was a really smart thing to do. Getting this foam thing here, and this is how it attaches to the dustbin, and there's a collar that's got a wire in it. This is a black thing I'm installing now. That really could have used 2 people. I don't know, that took me over half an hour to sort that out. But yeah, when you work alone, that's kind of what you sign up for. So I got it done, and then attached the lid to the machine, and then the bucket. When you lift up those red handles, the bucket comes out, and you can change it. So with the dust collector, most of the debris is going to end up in that black bucket. So I have twist lock power, and so I switched the cord. And then I got a hose from Rockler. This does not come with a hose, just so you know. And that's kind of was a struggle getting that on too, but a couple screwdrivers. So this is how the thing fits on the tools. Plug it in, and first try, it fires up. Has a remote, which is really cool. I can carry that in my tool belt and fire it up when I need it. And it works. Hooked up to the chainsaw. So it works. And this is how you hook it up to the table saw. So I decided to kind of embellish this a little bit, and I added the Susawatari, which is from Studio Ghibli movies. It's known as Suit Sprites or Dust Bunnies. It was in the Totoro movie and Spirited Away. Anyway, I think they're cool. Yeah, Dust Monster. One of the best investments I've ever made. You should get one. They're quiet and they're awesome.